Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the markets and we will take a look at altcoins. They're starting to look good again and they're starting to move again. Also make sure to watch this interview with Salsa Tequila, a very good trader. I think a lot of people could learn a lot from it. First off, the big Bitfinex whale closed his shorts. I think he got out kind of break even, maybe lost a little, which is good of course. Boomer markets kind of flat, nothing much going on. New all-time highs for the Nasdaq is good. Nothing much going on for the S&P, sideways. The ES1 futures of course open on the Sunday evening. If they open green, I usually go long. Yesterday, you guys might have heard it already. I'm Dutch. I was watching soccer. Didn't go that well. Anyway, or football, whatever. Bitcoin at a very important level right here. They touched it earlier today. Yeah, they're basically at resistance. Logically, you would short it at resistance. But I mean, resistance will give in at a certain moment. Support is right here. You can see it quite clearly. I would say this is the first support. Other than that, we're looking for higher lows and higher highs. Right now it has a good chance to go up again, to go look for this resistance, give it another tap. Everything is lining up for Bitcoin right here, and you can see it in the VPVR as well. A lot of volume on this area, just above 35.5k. But what is more interesting is Ethereum. Ethereum making moves. Yeah, good move back above 2k. Important level, of course. Did we break a trend line? Well, not really, but we're getting close, and we did break one over here, of course. Very clearly. Still important levels for Ethereum over here. We can put in some resistances. Over here is one, over there as well, of course. We have this level over here. I would say, you know, it's basically a range. It's not exact levels, or I think it's not exact levels. Anyway, this is what we're looking for. If Ethereum cracks this low over here, we are effed. Ethereum BTC, and that's what it's all about. Ethereum BTC was looking extremely ugly over here. I was scared, no joke. But now it is bouncing quite hard. As you can see, we broke this trend line, looking very good, and right now we are at resistance or in the process of breaking it. When Ethereum moves, it usually moves extremely fast. So keep that in mind. It still looks good. Had a little bit of consolidation over here. Seems like we're making another consolidation right here, which is bullish. We're not seeing a big reject. Some consolidation over here would be good. Bitcoin is looking good on a lower time frame as well. So yeah, that means Ethereum USD can move up higher than Bitcoin right now. Let's take a quick look on the 5-minute chart. I mean, this is the low, this is support. This is where you draw support on the 5-minute. Right now, you just want to have a higher high than this one over there. And then, of course, the daily high. And this one will play some in effect as well. But this one, this is basically where you're in between. You can put a little trend line in it. Can we pump in a little trend line over here? Not really. Pump it right there. That's how you do it. Predicted fundings on Ethereum USD are negative again, so that's good. Zilliqa, big move today, 10% up. Zilliqa, I mean, invalidation for a long is quite close. Do not over leverage. But I mean, support over there, resistance over here, matches up with this high over there, I would say. That's basically it for Zilliqa. Leo having a big day today. Huge engulfing. Leo doesn't push a lot of volume, of course. It's an exchange coin, but it's moving 15% today. Looking quite good, and probably has to do something with the Bitfinex whale closing his short, I think. Matic USD. Matic is one of those crazy movers lately, I would say, this bull market. And Matic is making a little nice round bottom over there. Broke this trend line. And looking kind of good on the 4 hour over here. Resistance, you know, you're just looking for higher highs, higher lows. So this is resistance right now for Matic. Support, quite simple, over here. That's how you do it. Take profit over there. Stop loss below here. That is how you do it. Or buy here, sell there, and that's how you do it. However, I think Matic might be moving again to the upside. It's looking quite good. If BTC follows the path, it should be okay. Matic, BTC over here, very clear. Trendline break, little round bottom, looking to move higher at resistance right here. Resistance right there. Very important. Invalidation, very close. And that's basically what you want. You want a small risk, so you do not get wrecked. And you want huge upside potential. And I think Matic is one of those. Put your stop below here if you're trading Matic BTC. Upside targets, you know, you can go as far as this one. Wait a second. This one. You know, it's adding up. Bottom over here, bottom over there. Retest over here. Right now it's at some little resistance as well. Not gonna draw that one. Over here as well. Bottoms on it over here, top and a retest on it over there. And so on. Not gonna draw it to all-time highs, because, I mean, do we really want to do that? I mean, but seriously, invalidation extremely close. AAVE, same story, different coin. Yeah, looks bottomed as well. If you want to play it long, invalidation extremely close. Profit over there. Take profit at 280. Always front run it a little bit before someone else front runs you. How does the 4 hour look? 4 hour look great. It's looking great. Trend line break, of course. This is hindsight trading. But I mean, resistance over here as well. I would say it's looking great. Stop, invalidation is close. And maybe that's what people should look for first instead of the potential upside. Look at where would your trade be invalidated. Good bounce here for AAVE BTC as well. Looking quite good. VPVR shows a lot of support right now. A little bit of resistance from this area, of course. This is the area that matters for AAVE BTC, I would say. Making that a little bit of a higher high over here. That is what counts for AAVE. And that basically is about it for today. Funding and premiums all cooling down a little bit, you know, from huge negative more to neutral. And neutral is still good. We would have liked to see more negative, of course, meaning we have more stuff to go to the downside. Fear, still a lot of fear, 25. We saw, I think a week ago or a few days ago, we saw 10. And that sums it really up for today. We're moving up now a little bit, so that is good. Guys, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. And I think it's time to look at altcoin ratios again. And that's about it. If you want to trade with some leverage, make sure to use one of the sign up links in the video description. If you're interested in the PDF, send me an email. Email is in the About Me section on my YouTube channel. Guys, my DMs are always open. See you guys again tomorrow.